Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV, and today I will be teaching you how to make egg sandwiches. It's a very delicious recipe for iftar time, plus it's a good snack or lunch recipe after Ramadan as well. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Okay, so I have taken 4 boiled eggs, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and just a pinch of salt. And then for the bread, I've cut the crusts. You can leave them on just based on how you like it. We like it without the crust, so that's why we're doing it this way. Now first, let's just add all the ingredients for the mayo. And then mix it well. The chili garlic sauce actually adds the nice taste to it, the nice taste. But now if you find that to be a little bit too spicy for you, you can leave the chili garlic sauce as well. But do try it once with that, because it definitely brings the extra spice to it. Alright, so now our mayo is mixed. Now let me show you how I mash the eggs. So just take a fork and start pushing down on the eggs, and then just keep on doing it until you find them all to be fully mashed and scrambled, and then that is your material for the sandwiches. Okay, and then this is how it should look like. Now we can start putting up the mayo on the slices. You can put the mayo, of course, according to how you like it, how much you like it. But there is such a thing as too much mayo and then too little mayo. So you just want to make it the right amount so you can fully appreciate the sandwich. And here you go. Now you just start putting in the eggs according to how much you want. Well, here you go, folks. This is our final product. Serve it with ketchup or serve it with hot sauce, anything you like. It tastes good with all of those. So please try this out. If you do, leave a comment below and send us a picture so we can post it on our Instagram. Until we see you again, remember us in your prayers. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Atif Rahman and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.